Hi, my name's Nadia Dyson from Luxury Locations, and today I'm in the north finger of Jolly Harbour. I'm here to show you a brand new listing. Villa Del Arco. It's a 3-bedroom house with a pool. Let's go and show you around. So as you come through the door, this is an Armour Mesh door, so you can have the joy of having the breeze coming in and security at the same time. You come in and then you've got this big open plan kitchen and living room. Let's go and have a look at the kitchen. So this is a really good size, great counter space. You've got all your appliances, you've got a gas stove, which is great, big double fridge. The house has really nice flow. From the kitchen, you're looking through to the living room and you've got 2 sliding doors which lead out to the deck and the pool area. And then to my right, there's the hallway which leads onto 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The living room is a really nice space. There are lots of areas to relax and enjoy TV or the views outside. Also, there's a spiral staircase just off the living room which leads to a private office. Let's go and take you outside and then we'll go and do the bedrooms. It's a great size swimming pool. It's about 10 foot by 20 foot. I've just walked outside from the patio doors from the living room, and here we have some sun loungers and a table for 4, but just over there is the beautiful golf course of Jolly Harbour. And here you have a nice sized swimming pool and you've got some undercover seating and dining area. The owner has made great use of all the different spaces to maximise comfortable living outside. If you're coming in from the beach, this is a really nice area, so you can come through to the outside shower instead of going through the house. I'll show you. It's all tropical. I love it. And here we are back at the entrance. Let's go and walk the outside of the property. I'm at the front of the property, and as you can see, there's lots of parking. And at the front of the house, the windows have these really cute yellow shutters. You've got a driveway here, and then here is the access to that 3rd room. Undercover area here has dining for 6 people and some comfortable seating. Now, what I really love about this space, let's get the remote, is that when it's nice and breezy in Antigua, you can be sat here and then you can pop these down. In the evening when the mosquitoes decide to come, and you can still enjoy your outside living. Lovely. Touch of a button. This is a really nice breezy house. It's east facing, so they get glorious sunshine in the morning, but in the afternoon, it's lovely and cool and breezy. These 2 bedrooms have access by patio doors onto this nice covered area and then onto the pool. I'm going to go back inside the house and access the bedrooms from the kitchen so you get a really good feel of the flow of the house. From the kitchen, we enter this hallway. Let's go. So here you have a bathroom, which obviously services the kitchen and the living room, but also this bedroom. This is one of the smaller rooms, but you still have 2 queen beds, a chest of drawers and a wardrobe. And obviously the sliding doors onto the pool area. It's got AC and a fan. This bathroom is a really good size. You've got a shower, your vanity unit and a toilet. This is the primary bedroom. You've got a huge bathroom here with his and her sinks, a vanity unit and a really good size shower. And then you come into the bedroom. It's got a really nice size walk-in wardrobe, and I do love a walk-in wardrobe. You've got space for hanging things and lots of drawer space as well. And then you've got a really nice sized bedroom with a queen bed, bedside tables. You've got really nice bolted ceilings, your AC and a fan, and again the sliding doors onto the patio area. There is another room in this property, but it's outside, so we're going to go through the primary bedroom doors and go and have a look at this extra room. So outside on this area, you have a guest toilet and you have an outside shower. Then you come through here, screen door, which is great. And then you have your laundry facilities. So you've got storage here and you've got a washer and dryer. And then you come into the room Now this room could easily be an office or a bedroom. It'll be a little bit quirky because obviously if you need to go to the toilet or a shower, you have to go outside, but that is a great way of Caribbean living. It can also be an office. They use it as a TV room at the moment. There's also extra space in the vaulted ceiling area, which you could easily use for lots of storage. This room has got AC, it's got a fan, and you've got nice windows for breezes as well. This beautiful house, Casa Del Arco, is a detached 3-bedroom house with an office. It's around 1,850 square foot. It's full concrete, and each of the windows and doors have hurricane shutters. There are louvered windows in most of the rooms and AC in all the bedrooms. They have these blinds that come down to give you extra shade in the afternoon and a really nice sized swimming pool. This house is located on the north finger of Jolly Harbour. The owner has made great use of the space of this property to maximise indoor and outdoor living. The pool area, there's lots of sun lounging space. This property would suit anyone wanting to spend lots of time in Antigua or as a vacation rental. It has 3 good bedrooms and it's got an office, so it can sleep 6, maybe 7 or 8 people, and you have the pool. What I really love about this property is the privacy. It's surrounded by beautiful tropical plants, and you can see little bits of the golf course and the mountains behind. It really is a hidden gem, and it's well worth a look. If you're looking for a 3-bedroom property with a pool in Jolly Harbour, which is a very safe area and has loads of amenities, fantastic beaches, 7 or 8 different restaurants and a fully stocked supermarket, then this is definitely a property to come and have a look at. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please contact us if you'd like further details and to arrange a viewing. And if you like our channel and want to see more videos, please subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Bye.